Hello, we are back. Thank you for joining us, and let's catch up. Hi, welcome back, guys, and thank you for joining us again here at Royal Parrots. We disappeared just for a minute. We were back and forth, as we explained in our last videos. We were back and forth looking for a piece of land in a few different states, actually. We looked in Florida, we looked in Georgia, and we showed you some videos of us searching in Texas. And I am excited to announce that we finally found a piece of land for our future sanctuary and for our future farm. I'm so excited to share this experience with you, and I'm so sorry that we disappeared for a little bit. My computer is literally shoved in a closet. My electronics are shoved in boxes, and we're trying to get ready for this move from Chicago to Texas. But before I show you our new property, I wanted to share with you a few cool places that we went to go visit in Texas. And the first one is Fancy Parrots Farm in Los Fresnos, Texas. Enjoy, guys! So you can see here, these are the bones of the cage setup. You can see the supports there ready for the new cages that Michael's going to bring in. When you're dealing with exotic parrots, it's extremely important to keep the birds next to their own species. Now, there are plenty of birds that will breed without being next to their species, but there are also plenty of birds who just thrive seeing and hearing their own species next to them or around them. So when you have a farm or you're breeding, try to keep your species together. It is important, and as you can see here, it's exactly what Michael has done. Keeping your species together will also keep your nest boxes uniform and everything looking tidy. And if you're anything OCD like Dennis, you will just love that. Now this is personally one of my favorite areas, the baby bird room. This is the room where breeders will bring their baby birds to put them in brooders to keep them warm, to incubate eggs, to hand feed baby birds. This is absolutely one of my favorite rooms.
Talk so much. Did you have him as a baby?
Thank you for joining us here at Royal Parrots at Walking Around Fancy Parrots Farm with Michael Powell in Southern Texas. And I was just giving you a sneak peek on his main farm. And stay tuned because those videos will come soon. His farm is absolutely awesome. He has a little bit of everything, some monkeys, some exotic cats, just awesome. And thank you to Fancy Parrots for inviting us out to see the farm. And as always, stay tuned and keep it birdie. please don't forget to subscribe and share.